In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix high ping, lag, network errors, connection errors, and problems joining servers in eFootball on PC. If you are experiencing unstable connections, high latency, or multiplayer connection problems, follow these solutions step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu. Search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your active network adapter. Click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, also known as TCP/IPv4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In Preferred DNS Server, type 8.8.8.8. In Alternate DNS Server, type 8.4.4.8. Click OK, then close the remaining windows. Now launch eFootball and check if your connection has improved. Solution 2. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now enter the following commands one at a time. Type ipconfig/release, press Enter. Next, type ipconfig/renew, press Enter. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS, press Enter. Finally, type netch winsock reset, press Enter. Once all of the commands have finished, close Command Prompt. Restart your computer and check your connection in eFootball again. Solution 3. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Select Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. When Windows asks you to confirm, click Yes. Press Close. Now restart your computer to apply the changes. After your PC restarts, reconnect to the Internet. Launch eFootball and try joining an online match again. Your high ping, lag, network error, or connection problem should now be improved or fixed. And that is how you can fix high ping, lag, network errors, connection errors, and problems joining servers in eFootball on PC. If this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.